This week on the Digging Dudes.
Where'd you go, buddy? I did it again. Oops, I did it again.
Nice. What is that?
Look, you can tell like we're right at that part where you know it's really old.
Nice, another large sand.
No, dude. Oh! I don't even know what to say right now. What is up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the Digging Dudes. Yeah, we got some of those coming up on today's episode. Coppers, silvers, and stuff that's not even from Canada. We're talking Britannia. Some first-timers for me. I got two first-timers today. This has been a great day, so stick around. We'll show you what we got. Okay, one of my favorite finds. Here we are. Invited to a permission, and I get one of my favorite things to find. And I haven't found many this year. Look at this guy, bud.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Huh. I like that design. Sweet. Cool. What you got there, buddy?
Harmonica reel.
The harmonica reeds. Classic. Nice, man. Love those. Good job. All right. I mean, nothing too crazy, but it's always cool finding a nice buckle. You know, we find a lot of horse tack, but I believe this is actually a buckle from a belt, more than likely. Cool. Yep, saying 51, 52 on the legend. On the legend. Damn, I shouldn't have swore. 52 on the legend. I haven't looked at it other than what you see there, so we'll take a look together. But take a look.
So, congrats. This is KG5.
Nice.
Yes. It's can't see the date. Oh yeah, it's 1917.
Nice.
Yep.
Definitely some silver. Oh wait. Oh yeah, look at that guy. Handsome fella.
Gorgeous King George.
A little worn on that side, but that's okay. Still cool.
Good
Yep.
job.
Thanks, buddy. Took it, saw roundness, saw copper, and I just shoved it back on top of the...
Cool.
Yeah, so I know what's in here. Oh, there it is.
Nice.
I'm pretty sure it's a large cent based. Yeah, it's definitely a large cent. It's got some corrosion, so I'll have to clean it up, but even on this side too. But I'll still clean it up. 1 cent. Neat. Yeah. All right, bro. I'm telling you, man, today's my lucky day. I think, look right here. Look how small that is.
Oh yeah.
Bro.
Fishy.
Yeah. I mean, come, like. Oh, that is so thin.
Oh.
That's a 3? Are you kidding me?
Oh, that's 3P. King George.
3 pence like you found, man.
Yeah, British.
What? Look how small that is, dude.
Great job.
What's it say for date there? 1910,
Nice.
I think.
Too soon.
Or 1918, actually. Oh yeah, that's cool. Nice. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. That is beyond complete. Oh, it's got a little bit of bend there, eh? But that's okay.
I can rinse it in the water.
I bet you that thing will still sound nice. I did it again. Oops, I did it again.
Nice, nice. What is that?
Look, you can tell like we're right at that part where you know it's really old.
Nice, another large cent.
No, dude. Oh.
Ta-da!
I don't even know what to say right now. I don't even know what to say right now.
Is that 1700?
Oh, I'm afraid to even open my hand now. Okay, okay. Bro,
Well,
did I? Oh, don't tell me I just did it. Did I really?
just hold on. So I see the bust
I see a bust, but that is not
Facing-
Queen Vicky.
facing to the
Left?
left, so it could be King George II. No, it's Vicky.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's just
Oh, okay. I don't know. The bust looked completely different and
it's just totally, you know.
just wiped.
Yeah.
Oh man, I don't think I've ever seen one wiped so
Well,
bad.
it looks like Victoria.
But you know what I mean? It's got that. Yeah, let me see if I can zoom in a little on that.
It's hard to tell, man, but
What about the other side? It's weird that it's so smooth for such a, you know, it's not that old.
oh yeah, so like you can see the date. It's 1868.
What?
1868. It's on the bottom here.
1868?
Yeah. So definitely need to.
That's crazy. Okay, we're gonna clean this up if I can. Yes! I knew there was more here.
Got it.
Cool, bro.
It's here.
Man, I found so many KG6s around here. And now we got another large scent. Yes, sir. It's funny you called it because you thought I had found two, but you knew somebody was going to find a second one. Somehow, maybe you knew.
Victoria.
Oh, yeah, bud. Yeah, let's clean that up and show you guys. As in the words of what the is going on here is what Eric just said, because it's just crazy. I don't even know what to say. I'm pretty sure it's a largie. He's just pulling something out over there, and then I'm like, oh, well, where's my coin? And then right here, bro.
Ooh.
I'm like, it's too fucking big for a regular one. I wasn't a clear signal. I had to squeak it between some stuff, though.
Victoria, 1892. Good job.
Now look at the size. I had to make it as small as I could, the plug, because I was like, what the hell? Oh my God, look at the shape of that. Wow. You got a coin too?
Yeah, that's penny.
Penny. I just dug a modern penny, a weedy. This was a choppy, crappy 30 signal, like I said. And again, pow.
Nice.
Another large cent. What the schmeck?
You're killing it today.
Dude, it's unreal. Wow, guys, this is going to be crazy. All right, I'm going to clean this up a bit. Started off with a lighter, and so far we've had an amazing day since then. This is cool. I'm not quite sure how cool it is yet, but it's pretty. I don't think it's anything too fancy, but I'm going to clean it up, see what we got. So this is what it looks like. It's definitely got some age to it. I don't think it has any markings, but it sure is pretty. Okay guys, sun is setting down. We are just finishing up here. An amazing day, probably one of my best for sure in a while. In any case, let's go on the side here, on Eric's side, and pick up some of these. Beautiful crotal bell. Nice piece of pottery. I'm not sure what that says, but look at the keys. That's sweet. Those definitely look like they have some age. A largie. Not sure the year on that one, but it was good. A quarter, 3 pence, largie. Oh my God. And then this Britannia coin. This lighter started it all. Buckle was next. And then these guys, I just can't believe this. And then this came out, and of course some regular pennies and whatever that thing is. But my God, what a day. This is just unreal. Yeah. Thanks guys for watching. Till next time.